Hello guys, Jambo Jambo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Susan Anyango, and if you are not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm much grateful for the love and the support you have shown me in my previous videos. So on today's video, I want to take you through the study of law in Kenya. What does the study of law entails? What are the requirements? What does it take for you to be a practicing advocate? All these questions, you may be out here and wondering, how can I be a lawyer? So I want to debunk to you all that takes to become a lawyer, an advocate in Kenya. Yeah, so guys, please keep tuned. So guys, first, for you to study law, you have to have met requirements. For those who have done the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, you have to have scored a minimum grade of C+ and a minimum grade of B plain in either of the languages. Either of the languages here is either Kiswahili or English. A minimum grade of B plain in either of the two languages. For those who have done the Kenya Advanced Certificate Examination, you have to have scored a minimum of 3 principles. Yes, yeah. So for those who have not done KCSE but have done the other one, that is Kenya Advanced Certificate Examination, you have to have scored 3 principles. And then there are these people who may have done other courses, but they have an interest in law. Yeah, they are fascinated by law. What does it entail? You have to have done another degree for you to pursue this course. So these are the 3 different requirements for 3 different categories of people. Yeah, so what does the study of law entails? For how long? Many people get confused how long the study of law takes. For the undergraduate study, first you have to go through the undergraduate study. Thereafter you go to the School of Law. Yeah, that is the advocate training program. So for the undergraduate study, it takes only 4 years. Yeah, it takes 4 years. And for these 4 years, we have 8 academic semesters. So for the study of law, you study for 2 semesters and then a break, 2 semester and then a break, 2 semester and then a break, 2 semester, and then now you will graduate. So for law, you cannot try same in law. Law, basically, you have to study for those 8 academic semester, because you cannot go to the Kenya School of Law if you have not completed the 4 years, I mean. Yeah, for example, if you started your law school in 2018, you cannot go to the Kenya School of Law in 2021. Yeah, so you can only go maybe 2023, 22 at the end. Yeah, so that's the duration of undergraduate study of law. Yeah, and then another bit, examinations at the undergraduate level. Examinations at the undergraduate level are administered at the end of the semester. We have CATs at the middle of the semester, which is out of 30, and then the main exam, which is out of 70, summing it all to 100 marks. And for you to pass a unit, you should have scored a minimum of 40%. Without that, below that is a fail, which you will have to do a supplementary to make up for the failure. Yeah. And another thing you need to be keen of with the exams, you cannot proceed to the other class with pending units. You need to have completed all the pending units before proceeding to a class. And in case you fail more than 5 units in an academic year, you will be discontinued from the course. So it's advisable you be serious. It requires a lot of reading and attention. So it's good if you read, not overreading, but you know what you are doing. Yeah, we must work hard, you know. Yeah, you must read a lot for you to become a good lawyer. That's what the good book says. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, that's what examination entails. And then we have the attachments. Each and every other course have attachments. So in law, we have 2 attachments. We have an attachment called the judicial attachment. This attachment takes place after some schools administer it at the end of the second year, at the end of the third year. Mostly it's at the end of the second year. After the second year, after you have done with your second year, you proceed to a judicial attachment where the school places you at different courts. Whichever court you may choose, that's where you will be placed. So you do your judicial attachment, which runs for about 8 weeks. After that, you write a report about the attachment and then submit. That form parts of your exam. The second attachment, called legal clinic, clinical externship. This attachment, you do it in any other institution apart from court and law firm, which has a law department. So you undertake this attachment and make a report. The second attachment only basically entails giving free legal advice. Yeah. So after that, you write a report that will also form part of your examinations. And then at the fourth year, we have a research paper. Yeah. So this research paper, you do a research paper. You cannot graduate without completing a research paper. It forms the basis of your undergraduate law study. Yeah, so it's a compulsory and it's very useful since it prepares the lawyers. Yeah, if you're already there, you are a lawyer, so it prepares the lawyers for their future work, since the work mainly entails research. Yeah, so after that, completed your research and all those, you graduate. Yeah, at graduation there is pass, second lower, second upper, and first class. Depending on how you are performing, you'll fall in either of the classes. Yeah, so after that, you apply to the Kenya School of Law. Kenya School of Law takes about 1.5 years to be complete. Yeah, you'll study for 1.5 years. So in those 1.5 years, we have 9 months of complete learning. This entails both class learning and group discussions. Yeah, the group discussion are very essential because they also form part of examination. Yeah, so we have oral exams. After the 9 months, you will do oral exams, and then after oral exams, you do written exams. Yeah, which you need to pass. After the written exams, immediately you go to pupillage. You apply for pupillage. Pupillage you can apply to law firm, you can apply to parliament, you can apply to any organization that has a law department. It does not have to be. You can apply to Office of the Director of Public Education, DCI, any other place that offers this with not offers that handles law. Yeah, the pupillage is to prepare you to become an advocate. Yeah, so that's what pupillage entails. So after that, you receive your examination. If you have passed all the 9 units, you become admitted to the bar. Failure to pass, you'll have to redo the unit, and it comes at a cost. So you have to be very careful and very diligent with their work at the Kenya School of Law. That's what becoming an advocate, practicing law in Kenya entails. Yeah, so yeah, as simple as that. Yeah, I hope I've helped many people out here who want to do law. So until the next time, bye.